I'm Rachel Prophet. I live in Columbia, Missouri, and I found LeafFilter online through a Google search. We were looking for some option to keep all the leaves from the trees from getting into our gutters. And I requested a quote online, and within, I think honestly, even in an hour, I got an email back from the company that said, "Hey, we'd love to come out and do a quote, see what we're looking at." They then scheduled, I believe I requested that on a Friday. They came out on a Monday. It was right before a holiday too, which was amazing. They came out, did the estimate. We were able to talk with the person from the company and tell us the benefits of why we want to use LeafFilter. And we were sold on it in terms of investment. We had already spent some money trying to get the gutters cleaned out even just a few months earlier, and there were already leaves back in there. So it was kind of a no-brainer for us. And then I believe 2 days later, the installation team came out. They were absolutely great. They, let us know they were there, and then they just worked around the house without having to bother us, which was great because I have a newborn. And so they were really quiet and respectful of our space. And then, everything has worked so far, and we're just really glad we did it.